Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming and checking me out, and if this is your first time here, thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoy this video. Today's a video I'm going to do part 2 of my Konmari style-ish clean out of my house. I'm doing my boys' bathroom today. We're going to be cleaning out the cabinets. I'm going to deep clean the shower. Go through every single thing and get rid of what we don't need or use anymore. And I really don't like cleaning showers. It's kind of just gross for me, but while they're gone, I figured I might as well get it done. So we're going to start just cleaning it, and then I'm going to organize the cupboards, clean the shower and all that stuff, wash the shower curtain, and get it all nice and pretty. I hope you guys enjoy it. While I am cleaning up the whole bathroom, I decided to clean up the actual cupboards too and give them a good scrub with some Lysol wipes. These plastic bins that you see, I got them from Target, and they are actually like a modular system where you can buy different sizes and stack them however you want. I have a large size and a small size that I'm going to use on either side of the doors, and they actually are going to fit perfectly, which I am very lucky for because I didn't actually measure the space out before I bought these. It's been a while since I have cleaned under these cupboards. I generally just kind of forget about what's under here because no one really goes under there unless we're getting dog washing stuff or stuff for the fish tank that used to be in the boys' bathroom. So I'm going to use this opportunity to go through and clean out old product that we don't use anymore or can't use because we're on a septic. And with septic tanks, you can't use certain products. And so I didn't know that when I first moved into this house. So there's just been products sitting around for the past 9 years. Yeah, it's been a while. Anyway. So when I'm cleaning showers, I use a non-scratch sponge and I use some kind of Comet, my barkeeper's friend kind of product, and it is amazing stuff. It has just been the greatest find for me. But my camera ends up dying right about here, so you don't actually see me doing the whole shower, but I do it and it's going to turn out very nice. And that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and that it gave you some motivation to get what you need done today. I still have to put the bath mats down, but those are in the washing machine, so they'll put them down. They're done. And the cupboards look amazing now with these drawers, and it's going to be so useful because this bathroom doesn't have any drawers besides the two little ones on the sides. And the shower I scrubbed, like I said, it's not perfect, but it's as good as it's gonna get. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.